Euro USD has continued its downside consolidation, making lower lows and lower highs on the 1 hour time frame. So right here is a trend line that has held the price, and the price is just right at that trend line at this moment. So the price has been capped by this trend line. You could see how many times that the market has tested it from this point. It tested it right here, at this point, at this point, at this point, and now again is testing it almost 3 times right at this point. So this is a very strong, significant trend line, and seeing the significance of this trend line, whenever price breaks above this trend line, the price is going to spike up. So what are we going to do with this information? Right now we're still seeing that the downside still remains until we hit this order block. I've made it clear long ago in my previous videos that we have a fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame at this 1.13449 area, and we have another block just below it. So this is where I'm expecting some bullish actions from the market. We came close to it at this point at around 1.1352 area, and the market returned. So currently we are just testing this trend line. If the market moves up above this trend line and takes out this lower high, which is our protected high at this current time, seeing that we got a break of structure here. So if we get the market close above this protected high around 1.1417 area, then that could signify a change in direction. But we may see the bears push down the price once again towards this order block. Then at this order block, that is where we may get the spike that may now move the market up to break above this significant falling trend line, and then we see the market head up. So right now, a sell from this area with a stop loss above this protected high will offer a better risk reward ratio, and we target to take our profits just before the order block, maybe at around 1.1347 area. So we target that area. So that would be the case for Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. That's my take on Euro USD today. If that makes sense to you, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video. Cheers.